Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tips and tricks on monday.com. I am Rehan, certified Monday expert. Today I am going to show you how to set item default values when new item is created. Open your board and then click on these three dots and then go to settings and then click on item default values. Okay, let's say we want when new item is created, the status should be always ready to start. Save changes. Let's create a new item, task 3, and the status should be ready to start. Okay, cool. You can see here the status is now ready to start. It's that pretty simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please ask in comments.